Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo Igbo Alphabet. A. Akwụkwọ book. B. Bịa come. Chịa ọchị laugh. D. Dee write. Efere plate. Fee worship. Gote buy. Gbuo kill. Ghọta understand. Gwa ha tell them. Hapụ to let go. Ite pot. Ịkpa desert. Jide hold. Kemgbe since. Kpakpando star. Kwado prepare. Lee see. Mepụta produce. Naanị only. Ṅụọ drink. Nwa baby. Nyere gave. Onyinye gift. Ọnụ mouth. Pụta come out. Rie eat. Sie cook. Chinye report. Taa chew. Uche mind. Ụwa word. Vọ to comb. Weta bring. Yọ beg. Zo hide.
Easy way to pronounce some Igbo alphabets. R sound in apple is Igbo R sound. S sound in egg is Igbo E sound. E sound in is Igbo E sound. E sound in ink is Igbo E sound. O sound in oil is Igbo O sound. O sound in oat is Igbo O sound. The U sound in whose, when transcribed phonetically during pronunciation, is Igbo U sound. Also, the U sound in Usman, that is the Arabic name, is Igbo U sound. Okay? Usman is a very popular name. Some call it Usman, while some pronounce it as Usman. Whichever way, the U sound in it is the U sound in Igbo. So you can't forget, okay? There is no equivalent sound for O. The CH sound, that is the Chi sound in church, is Igbo Chi sound. Gu sound in Gwada is Igbo Gu sound. Gwada is a poisonous snake. Kwi sound in query is Igbo Kwi sound. Nye sound in Kenya is Igbo Nye sound. She sound in chop is Igbo She sound. With this tip, you'll be able to pronounce Igbo alphabet, some letters in Igbo that may appear very difficult for you. Okay? Just know the equivalent and you will be fine. I still remain your favorite Igbo language teacher. Dalo.